Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change the language on the Goat app. Now guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to the App Store and download the Goat application if you already do not have it. Then you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Goat. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how-to Goat videos where you can see how you can do that. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the Goat application where we have a lot of different options. So first of all, here we have the home screen where you can see that you have some preferred sneakers that you can get here. So that they think that you might like, and they have it for them here. Up here, as you can see, you have the calendar, you have the futurism, you have the calendar, and you have the futurism, as I said. You have the browse option, you have the calendar where you can go and see stuff. Now that's the home screen. You have the styles where you can go and check out different kind of styles. And here we have in the middle, we have the search bar where you can go and manually search for any sneakers that you would like to go and buy. And we have the sell option where you can go and request to sell. So you can complete and submit the form below and sell some of your sneakers. And here you have your profile where, of course, you have everything about your profile. Now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change the language on the Goat app. Well, the Goat application auto-detects your region and loads the language from the area. There is no way to change your language from within the actual app. So that's, guys, basically that. It's unfortunately like that at this moment. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and that you enjoyed this video. If you did, guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And I'll be guys seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.